Another eat more plants lecture. Total nonsense, and here's why. Nobody has time to count leaves.
Hold on. The real number isn't 5 a day. It's 30 different plants a week. And coffee counts.
30? Most Americans only hit 10. My espresso makes me a gardener?
Stick around. The last tip takes 0 effort and works tonight.
Fine. What even counts as a plant anyway?
Nuts, seeds, herbs, spices, and even that dried oregano on your pizza all count.
Pizza? Now you're just making this up to manipulate me.
Omnivores who eat the most plant variety have the healthiest guts, period.
I eat chicken and broccoli every day. That's 2 plants.
Add rice, garlic, olive oil, and pepper. You're already at 6 before dessert.
So I don't need to go vegan, just chaotic?
Grab one weird herb or seed you've never bought before. That's the whole trick.
What if I forget by Wednesday?
You're not counting calories, just variety. Look back at your week and tally.
I hate that I'm taking notes. Up next, why your protein shake is secretly a fraud.
Here's a wild stat. 97% of people are fiber deficient, but less than 3% lack protein.
But my shake has 30 grams. That's what matters for energy, right?
The RDA for protein is already the optimal amount, not a minimum you're falling short of.
So I'm basically starving my gut while flexing in the mirror?
Fiber only exists in plants, 0 in meat or dairy. And that's the nutrient actually worth tracking.
But fiber means salads. I'm too exhausted after work to chew leaves.
Oats, berries, beans, lentils. Fiber is comfort food if you pick the right ones.
Comfort food? Now you're speaking my language.
Dr. Garth Davis says almost nobody's protein deficient, but nearly everybody's missing fiber.
What if I just take a supplement and keep my steak?
Supplements skip the gut microbes that actual fiber feeds. Real plants win!
Fine, pass the oatmeal. Up next, actual gym socks disguised as lunch.
Stanford found 5 fermented foods daily dropped inflammation by around 25%.
Kimchi smells like a locker room floor. Hard pass.
Kefir, sauerkraut, kombucha, yogurt, and real cheese all count as fermented.
I'm not drinking bacteria juice before leg day.
You don't need 5 at once. Swap one snack for a scoop of kimchi or a glass of kefir.
One tiny swap. That won't move the needle.
The 25% drop was bigger than fiber alone in the same body of research.
So my gut is basically a garden and I'm feeding it weeds?
Think of it as adding one good microbe at a time. Start with kefir. It's basically drinkable yogurt.
Drinkable? Now you're talking my language. How soon do I notice?
Inflammation markers shift in weeks, but even a single serving changes your biome overnight.
Okay, fine. But my gut better thank me. Up next, the bedtime hack that actually matters.
Give your gut an actual bedtime. Aim for 12 to 14 hours overnight without eating.
I'm starving by 9 p.m. That's not happening.
A 140,000-person study found the regulars had better mood, more energy, and less hunger.
Less hunger by eating less? That sounds backwards.
Your gut microbes run on their own circadian rhythm. The fast is their nightly maintenance shift.
What if I'm exhausted after work and just want chips at 10 p.m.?
Start easy. Just stop eating 2 hours before bed tonight.
2 hours? I can probably survive that.
See how you feel tomorrow morning. The window cleans the gut lining while you sleep.
So my gut has a shift supervisor now?
Exactly. And the night crew quits if you keep dropping snacks on their desk.
Fine, you win this round.
I'm Team 12-Hour Gut Rest.
And I'm Team Midnight Snack. Tell us your side in the comments.
Like this video, if your gut just sent you a push notification.
Subscribe for more debates you'll pretend you won.
Daily